Hi, my loves y amores. I am so excited to have you guys here with me. Today, we're doing another special unboxing. These are the Nommies. Now, make sure that you guys stay to the end because we're going to be doing a very special giveaway. Now, I know that you guys have heard all about the Labubus, which, here's my little Labubu. Isn't she so adorable? Now, how do the Nommies differ in comparison to the Labubus? Well, the other ones are little dolls, and they were actually created in 2024 by artist Lulu Juju. I hope I'm saying that right. And they are actually emotional companions which mimic your emotions. So if you're happy or you're sad, they're right there with you. And they also come in that blind box format, which there's several collections. There's Loveliness Never Ends, Garden Rabbit, Interesting Fruit, and the one we're going to be unboxing is Fantasy World. So this is the box, and look how adorable that is, my loves. It is so coquette, so girly. Look at their beautiful doll faces. And this is the front, and then see here, Fantasy World. And these are all the little muñequitas. Look at them. So there's 7, and there's a chance that you can get the secret. So hopefully we get the secret. And this is the way that the side looks. See the beautiful butterfly? I absolutely love it. Look at that. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. So I ordered this online and I actually got it pretty quickly. I was actually surprised because since these are supposed to be the next big thing, I am actually so happy that I got my hands on it so that I can share with you guys. And let's open it up. Oh, let's get some little ASMR. And then it looks like it has like a little pop out with the little dolls, which I think is so cute. Do you guys see that? See it, like the little figurines like pop out. Look at that. Cute. Look at that, my love. Look at that. It actually comes out. I love it. I'm already feeling the fantasy. And then let's open it up, and this is the way it opens. And see, we have the 6 of them. Oh, look at that. Okay, and then which one should we do? What do you guys think? Let's see. Let's go for this one. And it comes out like that. Oh my god. This is the box, my loves. You have all the little dolls here. You have 1 in 72 chance to get the secret. Let's rip that up just like that. Okay, it's the same way with the Labubus. And then let's open that up. Oh, and then this is the wrapping. Oh my god. Oh, that is so pretty. I feel like if there's cotton candy in here. Oh, really cute. Let's open it and see what we got. Having some technical difficulties. Let's open it this way. And what do we get? Oh my god, look it! Oh my god, she's so pretty! Wow, look at that. Okay, this is the Morphus. Look how cute she is. Oh my god, look at her ears, her little face. Look at her bow. Oh my god, my loves, look how cute. And then look at her little eyes. So remember how I was telling you guys about they mimic your emotions and they're that little companion? Look at the eyes, my loves. Look at, oh, she looks like a little baby. Like there with you, she looks a little sad. And here she looks happy. Oh, I love that. That is such a neat feature. And then it also has this right here in her little tummy. It's that little baby that's there with her. Oh, okay. We also have the same, so just like the Labubus, they also have a little card, and it looks like it tells you to the color. So we're not going to be checking the little cards because they don't tell us, and we want to be surprised. This is the back. It says Morphus. I love that you can collect these. That is so cute. And then it has a bunch of barcodes here as well. And then let's see what else is in there. Okay. We have some stuff here. Do not eat. Make sure you guys don't eat this. And oh, Okay, we also get the little keychain as well too. Okay, so unlike the Labubu, so the Labubus already have it attached when you buy it. See? These ones, you actually put it on. Okay, I like that. That's a really nice feature because if you actually don't want to put it as a keychain, you can just keep it and just collect it. Open this one up. And, oh, I love this gold color. You guys know that I absolutely love gold. I love this. This is, oh, it's like the same, it's the same color here. Just like this, and oh, that is so cute, my loves. You can take it off or keep it on. And oh, look at her eyes. Oh, so cute. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. I hope that we get the secret. Which one should we do, you guys? Let's see. What do you guys think? Let's do this one. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Ooh. And then let's open that. Let's see what we get. Ooh. Okay, remember, we're not gonna look at the card. And then, oh, I love this so much. Ready? And which one did we get? Oh, the little black one. Oh, look at that, my loves. Oh, look at her bow. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it has little wings, so it's a little butterfly. It clips, and that is so pretty. Inside, look at the little eyes. Oh, I even like it like that, where it's like both of them. That is hilarious. And then look at her little eyes. The detailing, just still same with the little tummy. I love the lilac with the black. This is just so adorable. Front. This is the back. And same thing, here's her little keychain. Oh, that's so pretty. She feels so soft. Oh, I wish she smelled too. Same like the Labubus. I wish that they smelled. Okay, let's unbox another one. Oh, could this be the pink one? That's the one that I really want. Or the secret? Now, tell me which one is your guys' favorite so far. Let's see. Let's open it. I love the little wrapping. Fluffy and pink, purple bow. Oh, I love that it's lilac, and look at her ears, my loves. Look at that. Look at the wings. Look at the detailing. Oh, you're looking into the universe in her eyes because she just has multiple colors. Loves. And then look at her little eyes. Oh, I love her. Oh, she's so cute. Now she really matches my little Labubu. Cute. I love her. I feel like she's definitely matching me with the pink. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this one. Let's open it up. Oh, look how pretty this one is, my loves. Okay, they did a really good job with all the colors. I feel like there's just that perfect contrast of light and dark. If you're wondering what is the whole point of the little tummy, not only is it different, but it's actually telling a story, letting you know that each one represents their emotional state of stars and heaven. It's just a beautiful storytelling and fantasy world that you guys know here on this channel. We absolutely love that. Okay, 2 more to go. Ooh. Let me get closer to you guys so you guys can really see that. Did we get the secret? What did we get? And oh, look at the blue. Okay, my loves, you guys know that pink is my favorite color, but my second favorite color is baby blue. And look at it's pink with baby blue. Oh, look how cute that is. Wait, or is this a secret? No, it's not the secret just yet. We still have one more box. Look at that, my loves. Look how cute. Oh, look at her little tummy with the butterfly. And then look at her eyes. Oh, and she has darker eyes. I love that. Ears, they look like butterfly wings. And then look at pink hair. Oh, this is so cute. All right, loves. One more left. Could it be the secret? Now, comment below which one so far has been your guys' favorite. Oh, it makes me sad because this is going to be the last one, loves. But don't worry, we're going to be having more unboxings coming up on our channel. Oh, I hope it's the secret. Okay. That. And oh my god! Aurora! White with the yellow. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Eyes. And we love her eyes here. What's her looking up like this? What I like, because since it's actually smaller, this is actually one that I would put on a keychain, because I do feel like the other ones, their wings are much more larger. Their ears are actually way larger, so I feel like this size would be good to put on a keychain. Let's look at her little card, and this is her card. So in comparison to the Labubus, they are larger in size, and of course they have the feature in the belly, they have the beautiful eyes, have the keychain, same way with the Labubus. Now, unlike the Labubus, the little Nommis cannot be found in Pop Mart. These are high toy, but if you want to find them online, you can look on eBay or by searching them. Now, they are getting harder to find, so because of that, I'm actually going to be giving all of them away just for you guys. Enter the contest. You're going to 1, make sure that you're subscribed. 2, you're going to like this video. 3, you're going to leave me a comment below with which one is your favorite. And lastly, number 4, you're going to send me an email to the email provided below of your name and your location. And in the next couple weeks, make sure that you guys stay tuned, because each single week, somebody is going to win a beautiful Nommi. See you guys in the next video. Los amo. Mwah!